In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. Click on the second app you wish to use in this view. Then you need to hold the first one. Using this line at the top and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see a gray area, just let go. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!